I'm Scott from Wotblock. We're a little company based in the UK in Manchester. We supply precast products like interlocking blocks and these fantastic products from Rosetta Hardscapes. A few of the concerns that I had about becoming a producer was the size of my company. Wotmix is our main company and we're a ready-mix producer. And my initial thought was that we wouldn't be a big enough company for Rosetta to value what we have to offer. That is absolutely not the case. From our first initial order, which was very much a starter pack of various moulds, we've had full support throughout, regardless of, in the beginning it was difficult to make sales, and the support from the team, various team members made the trip over to the UK, and that was invaluable on steering us down the right track. Now, what we found worked perfectly for us is the fact that we're also out there doing our own installations, and our key to our success over the last maybe 12 months has been the fact that we've produced the product and installed it for the customer directly, which has given us a fantastic library of videos and content, pictures, case studies that win us jobs over and over again. Now, where we're going with that next is we're now looking for our own contractors to bring into our group and support them so they can be out installing for us, and also being an ambassador for these amazing products, therefore bringing in more sales. So if I had to give one piece of advice to a new producer, that would be do your homework and plan the products that you think you can offer in your market. The reason I say that is because Rosetta has such a broad range of products, there will be multiple products that fit in that range. I think there's something for everybody, but have a good look at what you have to offer and the sort of customer basis that you have already, and you will find something, whether it be paving, landscaping walling, or heavy duty walling like Grand Ledge. There will be something in there for you, and that will give you the best possible start.